Are you experiencing freezing issues with the Discord app on your PC? Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through some simple steps to fix it. Let's get started. First, the easiest solution. Try closing the app and reopening it. Sometimes, a quick restart is all it takes to resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, consider restarting your device. Here's how. Press the Windows icon on your keyboard, then click on the power icon. From there, select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds, then turn your computer back on by pressing the power button. This can refresh your system and clear up any temporary issues. Next, let's check your network connection. Sometimes switching to a different network can help. Click on the network icon in the notifications area. From here, you can select another available network and see if that resolves the problem. Speaking of connections, it's also crucial to ensure your internet is working properly. Again, click on the network icon in the notifications area and check your network status. If your connection seems off, you might need to troubleshoot it or reset your modem. If the problem persists, uninstalling and reinstalling the Discord app might be necessary. Here's how to do that. Press the Windows icon and type Uninstall App. Find Discord in the list, click on the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm your choice. Once that's done, head over to discord.com/download. Click on Download for Windows, and this will redirect you to the Microsoft Store page. Click on Install, and you'll have a fresh copy of Discord ready to go. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you should be back to chatting in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.